Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to check PayPal balance. So just simply when you log into your PayPal account, after that here you can see this is the main home page, and now how you can check it. Simply just you have to scroll down, and on the left side here you can see that the balance is available. So currently I don't have any balance in my account, so in this case my balance is 00. So when you have available balance, the total amount of balance will be appeared here. So here also you can check money in, money out, total received, total sent. So how much amount you have received in your PayPal account and how much amount you have sent to other people. So all the details will be available here. So in this way you can check PayPal balance. So currently I don't have balance. So whenever you log into your account, just refresh your page, and after that your balance will be appeared here. So in this way you can check PayPal